What is up, guys? Frozen Boys coming back at you again today with another video. Now today, just like some of my last videos with the firearms, it's going to be a little bit different. No motorcycles. I got the ZX-10 right here just off camera. Today, as you could probably tell by the title, we got a new whip. It's just behind this door right here. So let me just, I'm not going to talk about it right now. Let me just go open the garage door and we'll check it out. There she is, my 2018 Dodge Challenger RT. I'm gonna take you guys with me. We'll check out some features on this beast. All right, so this is my 2018 Dodge Challenger RT. This is the 5.7 liter Hemi V8. Got it in white with the track package, which comes with these absolutely beautiful black rims and the Goodyear tires with it. I also got the blacked out package, which comes with the RT logo. I don't know if you can see it in there. RT logo and the Challenger logo blacked out, as well as the Hemi badge right here, all blacked out. I opted for this model. I did get it in stick shift. It is manual. Here you go. We'll show you guys the interior. Alright, so this is the car. As you can see, it is stick shift. Got the 6-speed Tremtech manual transmission here. I also did get the Alpine sound system, which sounds absolutely amazing. We also got down here, let's see if I can show you, we got the Super Track Pack, which is the rims, tires, and then I'll show you guys this on the display. I'm sure you guys have seen these vehicles before, but let me just give you a quick startup and then I'll show you guys around the rest of the car. You can see the beautiful dash right here. If we go on the steering wheel, we have these controls right here. We can cycle through them. So we got speedometer, screen setup, messages, audio. So whenever I'm playing music, I can tell what I'm playing through here. Trip info. It's got different trips saved. Fuel economy. I think it's pretty bad fuel mileage, but you can see how much you're getting. It's active. Performance, it's got the 0 to 60 timer, the 0 to 100 timer, the 1/8 mile timer, 1/4 mile timer, braking distance, current G-forces, peak G-forces, lap timer, lap history, and top speed, which you can see right there. We also got vehicle info, coolant temp, oil pressure, just a lot of gauges, oil life, battery voltage, you know, all the normal stuff that we have. And you can go back to speedometer. So that's everything you got to know about the dash. So this right here, in my opinion, is one of the coolest features of the vehicle. You have so many options. Right here we have CarPlay. So when you plug in your phone, it syncs up your car, or it syncs up your phone. You can go to your songs, go back, go to whatever songs you have, and go down and play whatever you want.
Kiki, do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me.
So then if you go to apps, you have tons and tons of apps. Performance pages is extremely cool. So this right here is the dyno. So I don't know if you can see, but if I give it a little gas, you can see it shows up on there. So you can kind of dyno your car from right here. It's not the most accurate, I'm not assuming, but you can go to engine, shows you all of your power, torque, oil pressure, and it's active. So if I give it gas, you'll see it goes up. You got your G-forces, all of your different gauge layouts, however you want them. Your timer is right here, and your home, which has your power, torque, G-force, and you can rearrange all this stuff yourself. Oh, you also get the Sirius XM package, which I don't use too much, but if you use it, it's a good plus as well. If you look down here, you'll notice you have something, so you can put it into sport mode, which turns off traction control and opens up the exhaust. And you also have the Super Track Pack, which I bought extra on this vehicle. So, right here is your current mode, drive mode setup. You can change all of these, but when you press sport mode, you can change all of your different modes on here. Go back. It also has launch control. So with this, you set the RPMs you want to launch from, hit activate launch control, slam on the gas, drop the clutch, and it launches you. So I think that's a really cool feature as well. I'll be testing that out. But that Super Track Pack, you know, I'm gonna have to be playing with this a lot. Alright guys, so that's about all I have to show you today with the Challenger. Just wanted to give you guys a little introduction to it and just, you know, be on the lookout for some videos to come, because I got some fun stuff planned for this car. Anyways guys, if you're new to the channel, please drop a subscribe, like, comment, whatever you need to do. It really helps us out. If you dislike the video, drop a dislike, drop a comment down below telling us what we can improve on. Give us video idea suggestions, whatever you want to comment. Thank you guys so much, and we'll see you guys later. Deuces.